How to change country or region on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change your country or region on the Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to change a country or region on the Amazon app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application here, and you can currently see that I'm logged in and the products you see are based on the country that you see or maybe choose on Amazon. And maybe you'd like to basically choose a new country. For that, tap the three lines option from the bottom right of the screen here, and then just scroll down to the bottom again. You'll find the settings option with the flag icon. So when you tap on settings, you'll find the first option there known as country and language. So now you can tap on the country and language option, and now you can just select country region option here. Select any of the other region that you want, and then you can also select the language and then just tap on the done option in order to basically change a country or region. This way you'll be able to change the country region on Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.